So today I will show you a quick overview of the student portal. First step is to log in using the email address you gave to the school, and you can use the password they gave you, or if they did not give you any password, you can click on forget password in order to fill the form to receive a link to create your own password. Once everything is done, you click sign in to connect on your account. Once you are connected, you can see your schedule. As example, today I have a module 1. If I click on it, I can see the detail of the class as well as the URL if the course is online. You also have the possibility to cancel your lesson via your student portal. Other information that is important, if I go on my file on the left side, I can access the contract that I have with my school. I can see my detail. Another information that is important is the availability. In order to add that on your file, you can click on the top edit. And from here, you're going to click the tab called availability. And you can simply click the day you are available and change depending of the time that you are available every day.